Welcome back to Autoform CRM. In this video, I'll show you how to manage every contact your business touches without ever leaving WordPress. This is the contact screen. Names, statuses, tags, your whole customer base at a glance. No exporting to another platform, no second login. Search is instant. Start typing a name and the list narrows as you go. Filter by status to see just your customers or just your leads. Filter by tag to pull up every hot lead, every VIP, every newsletter subscriber. Save the filters you use every day and they're one click away. Need to bring a list in? Import. Need it somewhere else? Export. Your data stays yours. Open any contact and you get the full record. Their details, their history, their tags, everything you know about them in one view. And adding someone new takes seconds. That's contact management in Autoform CRM. Your customer data on your own site under your control. Try Autoform CRM yourself at autoformcrm.com. Just add your name and email and you're in.